All right, this unit here, we cannot power on with the key fob. Okay, I got the master key. Now, there is a problem in here. And let me put some light on this. So, customer states, somebody severed this wiring connection. Also, I don't know if this one here is related to that one. I'm not sure if these go together because there's such a distance between the two here. Now, the seat wiring here, this makes sense for it to be this connector, but where this one is, I'm gonna have to ask Jim or Desmond about what happened here, or what's the remedy for this one, what harness would we need for that. Okay, well, look what we see here now. Oh boy, here we go. This is what I'm seeing now. Now it all comes to light in the absence of light. So this is what we're missing, and it looks like part of right now, looking at this wiring harness, we may have an issue. We may be missing some wiring altogether, but looking at it now, what I'm looking at, multiple wires from this must be those, but I can't stretch these two together. It looks like somebody actually removed it, and where the seat switch comes into play, I don't know how or why this had actually came apart. So this is the first time I've ever seen on an ICE unit this kind of damage. This is extraordinary damage, in my opinion. So going around the machine here, this is a Legacy unit, obviously without the controller on the steering wheel, but we got some wear and tear issues. And going back here, looks like they altered the fastening clamp for the drain hoses here, so we can rectify that quite easily. Also, they're not big fans of removing the squeegee at all, so I talked to management about this, and it's same old song and dance. So this is just going to be a rehab project pretty much until we can get power back to this unit and an overlay. I want to get an overlay for this, but this is going to be the big issue right here, and it's going to take some time to figure out what's missing as far as what's gone on here, and getting with Jim and Desmond on this. So the unit is not operational. Okay, this is the same issue we're talking about. This connector goes into this port right here, the third one down from this orientation of how the box is positioned in the machine. So we got these wires here, the 4 conductor plus these single conductor wires here. Okay, and then here, I don't have my tools with me, unfortunately, to get really deep, but we're looking at the, sorry, this is a bad area where they keep the machine, unfortunately. So we got wires from this connector here, this top connector facing upwards. We got wiring that has come off of this whole piece here. And this one here, so it looks like I'm gonna have to dissect this further.